My name's John Ashley with Prestige Curb Appeal. We do residential and commercial pressure washing. We do everything from roofs, houses, and driveways. Commercial-wise, we do shopping centers, parking lots, everything, you name it. It really helps and makes you feel good and increases the property value. Give me a call, 865-621-1004. We'd love the opportunity to give you a quote, come out and see your house, even look at your driveway.
Hi, everybody. Thanks for checking in with your evening weather update. It was a toasty day around East Tennessee. We saw above average temperatures topping out in the low 80s in Crossville to mid 80s in Knoxville, mid to upper 80s from Chattanooga to Tri-Cities, and we stayed rain free. So enjoy that. Now we're going to have clear skies overnight tonight. And then Wednesday through Friday, we're talking about hotter June weather sticking with us. Pretty much what we saw today is going to stick with us. And then as we wrap up the weekend, head into the upcoming weekend, elevated rain chances are on the way, plus a possible tropical system. Let me explain. Stick with me. I'll talk about that here in just a second. 60s are going to get our day started as we head into our Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon, lunchtime temperatures will be in the 80s. We're going to see those temperatures climb into the mid to upper 80s throughout the afternoon. Heat index values will be pushing closer to 90 degrees across the Southern Valley, so it is definitely going to be on the hotter side. We do have that southeasterly flow still taking shape in the atmosphere thanks to high pressure to our southeast. I'll show you the big picture here in a second as well. Southeasterly flow, moisture is going to start to creep on into the area, I should say. With that said, my in-house model is picking up on a chance for a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Most other models are not picking up on much activity. If we were to see anything at all, it would likely be isolated right there along the foothills and the mountains of East Tennessee through 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Again, confidence level is not too terribly high, but we do have moisture headed our way because we have that potential tropical system or tropical depression that the National Hurricane Center is talking about. That's going to be kind of scooting its way to the southeastern coastline. So that's going to increase our dew points. Dew points come up, amount of moisture in the atmosphere comes up, and chance for rain comes up as well. So we're watching an area of low pressure down across the Caribbean, and it's a cluster of thunderstorms right now. What it's going to do and how it's going to interact with the Atlantic Ocean and the warming Atlantic Ocean. The National Hurricane Center only has a 10% probability of becoming a tropical depression. So probably not going to be at this point of the game, but there's that cluster of storms. As this moisture gets thrown into the southeast, that's what could spark off some showers across East Tennessee tomorrow. And then as we get into Thursday, much more of the same. And then the upcoming weekend, a cold front in an area of low pressure is going to head our way. So therefore, gradually or naturally, rain showers are going to be increasing as we wrap up the weekend, head into the upcoming weekend. This really paints a picture because today and tomorrow we're not seeing much activity. All the way through Thursday, not a whole lot of activity. Start to see those showers and thunderstorms increasing as we get into the upcoming weekend. Rainfall is going to be increasing across the southeastern coastline associated with that low pressure system. And then all the way through next Monday, we're still looking at the potential of over an inch, inch and a half of rainfall. Earlier today, they were talking about the possibility of maybe 1 to 2 inches. So the probability is there, or at least increasing, that we're going to have some pretty good soakers as we round out the week and head into the upcoming weekend. Temperatures, not bad. We're going to stay pretty average after a couple of warm days here, and then we'll drop back closer to those seasonal averages again, even as we get into next Monday and Tuesday timeframe. So it really is one of those things that we're going to be watching closely. Remember to scan that QR code, download the East Tennessee Weather app, go to your app store and search East T and Weather, all one word. It's going to be a wealth of weather information right there at your fingertips, and it goes above and beyond these little daily forecasts. This is always there to explain the weather. But you can get your weather with the interactive radar, temperatures, day parts, you name it, live cameras. It's all there for you, my friends. Have a great night. Don't forget, Wake Up with the Witcher can also be seen on the East Tennessee Weather app. We start at 6 o'clock in the morning to get you and the family off to work and, well, maybe summer school or year-round school or whatever your kids are going to be doing, right? We're getting up and getting our day started, so join me. I'll see you then.